Hey everybody, this is Mike over at Triple D. So tonight we're over here at Hollywood Studios. As you can see, it is behind me, it's dark. We're back in Galaxy's Edge right now, and this evening I'm going to build a lightsaber over at Savi's workshop. So I got Carla and the girls with me. One of them will be doing the videoing, I'm not sure who, because they only let one person in with you. And that means Carla's got to stay with Anna if they can't all come in, so you might have Elsa doing some of the videoing. So it might bounce around a little bit if it's her. We'll see what happens. But let's go on over to Savi's and see how this whole thing's worked. We'll catch up with you here in 1 second. All right, so we're on our way to Savi's, and look what we came across. There are a few stormtroopers out and about doing a little bit of reconnaissance. So there you go. So anyway, little snippet, so we're on our way to Savi's now. Alright, so if you're looking for where to build a lightsaber, so if you remember our video from building droids over here to the droid depot, which is kind of right over there, the entrance to the lightsaber building is over here at Savi's workshop, so just to the left of it. Alright, so we just checked in for building a lightsaber, and so what I've got here is the kind of list of options of the different kind of lightsaber hilts that you can get. So you got top one is peace and justice, you got power and control, elemental nature, and then protection and defense. So I don't know, I'm not sure which one I'm going to go with here at this point, so we'll see. They say that you can come over here to this this little station, I don't know what you call it, and you can see varying components. I don't really see any over here right now, so I'm gonna go see if I can find them. Alright, so we got to figure it out. So this little tray looking thing is actually where you can see the different parts. So there's kind of the base, it looks like. More of them. Yeah, no, I got it. So that's where you can kind of see all the different options that are here. So that gives you a flavor of what's out there. Once you make your selection, you'll then go kind of to the front desk over here, you'll pay, and then they'll check you in. But you got to know what you're making before you step into the room, and before you pay. So we're going to pay, and then we'll get into the room, I guess.
You've all found your way here. Everyone's found a place to be. So officially, welcome. I know the workshop is it's a lot, but to us, it is everything. Now you might be thinking, we are surrounded by a lot of old junk. Rest assured, some of this is new junk. You will have the opportunity to meet Michael and Kylie, Roman, Sabrina, Tessa, and Katie. You may call me Kembe. We call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics. We go to forgotten places, abandoned outposts, battle-ravaged planets. And what we find, we bring back here. So where a stormtrooper sees only worthless clutter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may be the key to ensuring our future. How many of you know the legend of Luke Skywalker? Quite a few, good. And now we understand there is a new Jedi. Tell me her name. Rey, correct. A scrapper, just like us. And what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have all been waiting for. And that is why you are here, to look ahead, to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and our darkest enemies. It is elegant, enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber becomes a direct reflection of the builder because the force flows between them. And today, you will feel that connection. But enough of my talking, let's get started. We will begin with perhaps the most important component of the lightsaber, and that is the Kyber Crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force, to magnify it. There are those who say the Kyber Crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal will determine the color of the blade. For example, blue, as wielded by the great master Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and we are told, red. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, great master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare and beautiful, as wielded by Mace Windu. Red. There are those who call this the color of power. The crystal of Darth Maul, Asajj Ventress, Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past, and we are here for you, our future. So, now it is time for you to choose your Kyber Crystal, the heart of your lightsaber. Everyone, close your eyes. No peeking. Picture those Kyber crystals in your mind's eye. What color shines brightest to you? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now open your eyes and select your Kyber crystal. Well chosen, my friends. Now that you've selected those Kyber crystals, feel free to place them on the green crystal holder directly in front of you. Don't worry, we're going to get right back to them. They are not going to be lovely for long. We are going to join them with the saber design that you have chosen. We will begin by building a hilt. The hilt is the foundation of your lightsaber. It is the center of your control. It is the part that prevents your hand from being disintegrated. Very important part. Now, if you look down, you will see the components for the saber design that you've chosen. You'll find a chassis, a selection of grips, emitters, pop caps, and activation plates. Building your lightsaber is a personal journey. Just as you selected your Kyber crystal, you will choose the pieces that make up your own individual lightsaber. The gatherers are here to help you along this path. So all of that being said, let's build.
And I'm here to help all three of you construct your very own lightsaber hilts tonight. Are you ready? Excellent. Then let's begin with the chassis, the core component of the lightsaber hilt. Now, take your chassis in hand, take the Kyber crystal you've chosen, and we're going to bond them together by placing the crystal in the crystal chamber at the center of the chassis. Now, there's an easy way to do this. Press the top of your crystal into the top of the spring-loaded chamber that is at the center of your chassis. And that should help you align it. Once it is centered, it will light up the chassis with the color you have chosen for your lightsaber blade.
Wait, hold on, it's not done yet.
Looks like it's bonding, yes. Excellent.
We want to make sure that it lights out.
Excellent. May I, my friend?
Haley gets the next
Let's see
person.
here. Might just need to reset those power cells real quick. Yes.
There it is.
There you are, my friend. Now, once everyone has centered their crystals, the next step is choosing one of the two pairs of activation plates. Make sure we don't mix and match from the pairs, and notice on the inside of these activation plates there are a set of red and blue markings. These red and blue markings match the red and blue that's on the side of your chassis. So, to put them on, all you have to do is match the red square to the red square, blue square to the blue square.
There's the red. There's blue. Blue to blue and red to red.
Yes. Once you have those plates on, go ahead and test that activation switch for me, my friends.
It's good that you brought a historian with you. You'll remember this.
Yes. Excellent. Excellent. I know that doesn't sound great. Ideally, lightsabers should not make that noise. But for now, it means your chassis is working, so it is a good sign.
Alright, so it's going to
Now, the next step, once you've secured those activation plates, is choosing two of the four grips that you see in front of you. You can choose any two of the four, one for the top and one for the bottom hand grip, but they are all interchangeable and can be used as either.
This is the bottom.
Excellent.
The bottom. And
Test that
this is
activation
the
switch for me real quick. Press that button up. Excellent, yes. But before we start anything, remember, all of your grips have that bronze ring. That is the widest end and it goes in towards your activation place. So make sure that bronze ring goes in towards the middle. Excellent. For yours, my friend, all of your grips have that wider silver ring. Notice that? Yeah, that will be the widest end that goes in towards your activation plates. Perfect. Now, when you have the grip in the position you want and you're ready to tighten it, get a full hand around the grip and slowly but firmly twist until it tightens in place.
Okay, calm down.
Remember, my friends, patience is a Jedi virtue. Great patience. This is a tradition and a art that has been passed down thousands of generations.
Okay, you just missed the next part.
Excellent. Now, once you've secured both grips, they both feel nice and tight. The next step is choosing a blade emitter, which is going to go on top of the chassis and twist into place with a few quick turns. Yes, well done. Pommel cap first, perfect. And the final step is that pommel end cap. In your case, the final step will be the blade emitter there. Excellent. Once you've secured both the blade emitter and the pommel end cap, place your finished lightsaber hilt in the chassis station in front of you.
Because you want this part to line up, right?
Excellent work, my friends. May I? Yes, excellent use of Brylark wood, the Cartesian whalebone, comfortable, sturdy grips. Well done, my friend.
As to how the Force is meant to be wielded as well. Facing off to each other. Very nice. That's really nicely done together.
Excellent.
Well done.
Excellent design. These components, very complementary components, give a very well-balanced design, not just in terms of weight, but in terms of aesthetic as well. Well done indeed, my friend. Well done.
3 sun cycles. That's all right. My friend in this corner, how long have you been wanting to build a lightsaber?
2 years.
2 years. Fair. My friend in this corner, how long? 40 years. About 40 years. The point is, destiny brings us here when it chooses. Take a look down. You are all here at this moment. Look at what you have created. These are reflections of you and your choices. You've all assembled your hilts, and nothing unexpected or traumatic has happened yet, which is good because this is the dangerous part of the process. I'm going to ask my builders and observers, please move away from the table, move away from those hilts. We want everyone to have the illusion of safety. We're going to stabilize these crystals for activation. Simple process. Unless we have screwed up an emitter matrix. If we have screwed up, what happens? Not good. It's not good, correct. But do you feel safe, my friend?
Absolutely.
You do, absolutely? That is one of us. I can live with that. All right. Let me modulate these frequencies. We will see how this goes. There we... What's happening?
With many parts you began. Yes. With the heart of the saber they are drawing. Much more they will become. It is time.
Master Yoda. Yes, it is time. We are at the final stage of the process. The bond between builder and saber is about to be forged. In just a moment, I will ask my builders to step forward. You will place your hands on your hilts, and together, on my mark, you will activate. Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Then step forward, my friends. Hands on your hilts and activate. Builders, raise your sabers. You have built a lightsaber, like the Jedi and the Sith that came before you. And like them, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes us far. Builders, deactivate those sabers.
Complete your lightsaber is. Choose your path it cannot, but light your way it can. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. You hold in your hands remarkable power. And remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. So, to protect your lightsaber, as you depart, we will offer you a saber sheath. Our time together is at an end, but your journeys are just beginning. It's time for you to make your mark on the galaxy and to remember that you are as unique and as extraordinary as the lightsaber that you have created. And who knows, maybe next time we'll be telling your stories. Till the spire. Good journey, my friends. Careful of those bucket heads out there, those guys.
All right, so we've done Savi's workshop. So here is the completed lightsaber, and I gotta say, it is unbelievably cool. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with it for $200, but it was awesome. This thing has such kind of heft and weight. It is nothing like the plastic lightsabers that you can build over at Star Tours or the shop outside of Star Tours or anything you buy at a store. This thing is awesome. Time to light off there. I think it was well worth it, in my opinion, as a longtime Star Wars fan. Your mileage may vary if you like that type of thing or not, and it's certainly way cooler than building the droids that we had done earlier this year. Elsa also agrees. She's now decided that for whatever Christmas money she gets, that she's going to try and do one of these. We'll see if that happens or not, but I think it's worth it. It probably is all very dependent on you, but hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, like it, share it. If you like what we're doing on the channel, please subscribe and follow us, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thanks.